Our new ventilation system has arrived. Watch as we unbox to show you what it is. Oh, it was a screw. So it's all boxed. Go down there. And all the other stuff.
Push in, then
Would you like for me to help you? Lift that piece. Oh, 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 nothing's happening. Oh, there it is. This is a good time to dump all the old water and replace it with new filtered water. In addition, I add a few aquarium drops just to keep the algae level down. Now that the filter is assembled, we have to run the calibration. Please note, if you are using this type of system, you should have a 20 amp dedicated circuit with this type of faceplate. Now I'm ready to get back to work. Stay tuned.